I want to demonstrate how this little pistol works with this belt buckle. As you can see, it sits in there really nice and comfortably. It's nice and secure, won't come out. If you look on behind the back here, this pin will not, is locked in, so that won't fall out at all. There's where your bullets, extra bullets with the speed loader sits, right in there in the holder, nice and tight. I'll demonstrate how quickly and easily the belt buckle works. When you want to need it, it comes right out like that. You can do it one-handedly and replace it one-handedly just like that. Easy enough. And now I would like to demonstrate how the speed loader works. You take out the shells, you place the pin that holds the cylinder in the pistol, put it in the center there, and you let it rotate like that. You take your speed loader out from behind there easily, just extract it and place the bullets in a circle, insert it into your cylinder like so, and this give a nice tug on the speed loader, and you're ready to go again. Put the cylinder back into the pistol, replace the pin, put the gun back in the belt buckle, and reload your speed loader with fresh ammunition. They just clip in very easily like that. And place that little pin there on the very end into the hole in the latch there, and then slide the latch and it locks in. There they're together, and then replace it, put them back in the speed loader behind the belt buckle just like that. See? And there you go.